Hello class, in our last session we have seen the properties of hydrogen, and in that properties we came to know about the physical properties of hydrogen, and after that we have seen the chemical properties of hydrogen, and we have seen the reaction of hydrogen with metals and reaction of hydrogen with non-metals. Okay, now today we are going to see reaction with metallic oxides. That means what happens when hydrogen reacts with the metallic oxides. In this case in this case hydrogen gas is a strong reducing agent. So what will happen, hydrogen reduces the oxides of the less active metals, that is, it removes oxygen from strongly heated metal oxides when passed over them, and itself get oxidized to water. Now if you see this one, if you see the reaction of metallic oxide with hydrogen, it is going to give you metal, water. Okay, now what will happen, there will be a color change as well. Fe2O3 Fe2O3 plus hydrogen will give you iron Fe plus water. That means this iron oxide will get reduced to iron. Similarly, Fe3O4 reacts with hydrogen to give you Fe plus 4H2O. If you have got lead oxide, when you treat with hydrogen, it will be reduced to lead, Pb, and copper oxide to copper. Next, if you have got next reaction is, say for example, hydrogen act as a catalyst. Hydrogen has a catalyst effect. Catalyst is a substance which increases the speed of the reaction but itself remain unchanged at the end of the reaction. So in the presence of a catalyst like nickel, hydrogen directly combines with organic compounds. That means the hydrogen reacts with organic compounds in presence of a catalyst called nickel, and that have the double bond or triple bond between the two carbon atoms, and this reaction or this process we call a hydrogenation of organic compounds. Say for example, ethylene, or we call ethene molecule. Okay, a carbon carbon atom having a double bond. So when you add hydrogen in presence of nickel, it is going to add that two hydrogen atom on each carbon atom, and you will get CH3CH3, that is C2H6, ethane. Similarly, if you have got acetylene, then there is addition of two molecules of hydrogen to give you ethane. Next, that was the chemical properties of hydrogen. Now we are going to see uses of hydrogen. Hydrogen has got many uses. It is used as a fuel because of very high heat of composition of hydrogen. It is formed in the coal gas, water gas, liquid hydrogen. Okay. Next important use of hydrogen is oxyhydrogen flame or torch. A mixture of hydrogen and oxygen is burnt at a very high temperature in a specially designed apparatus called oxyhydrogen torch to produce temperature of touching around 2500 degrees Celsius. This flame is used for cutting and welding metals in the automobiles companies as well as in the garage workshop and all, for melting platinum and quartz, and for fusing alumina to produce synthetic rubies and sapphires that are used as jewels in watches. Next, it can find uses in atomic hydrogen torch as well. It is used in self-lighting gas jets and automatic lighters. It is used in the manufacture of compounds like ammonia, Haber's process. And next we have got, it is used for the hydrogenation of vegetable oil. This is a very important use. Hydrogen is used in the preparation of solid vanaspati ghee, that is dalda, from liquid vegetable fats like groundnut oil, coconut oil, in the presence of finely divided nickel or platinum or palladium, acting as a catalyst at high pressure and temperature of about 200 degrees Celsius. Now if you want to prepare a solid vanaspati ghee or dalda, then you need to take vegetable oils like you can take groundnut oil. This is treated with hydrogen in presence of catalyst like nickel or platinum. That will give you solid Vanaspati ghee. Next, it is used for producing artificial petrol from coal as well. And lastly, it is used in the extraction of metal. It is also used in the metallurgy process, we can say. That means how metals are obtained from the with oxide form. So metal oxides, when reacts with hydrogen, it is forming iron and water, and copper oxide, when reacts with hydrogen, it will form copper and water.